What's up my peoples, it's Mohammed here from tekkerreviews, back again with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing, testing and reviewing the Ring Alarm Home Security Wi-Fi system. Now just a quick note here guys, I bought this product sometime over a year ago, and since then Ring have released a new 2nd gen version of the home security system, so just in case your HomeKit tool looks a little different to my one, that would explain the reason why guys. We're going to find out if this home security system is any good and if it's worth purchasing for your home or property. But before we do that, as always guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, then please support your boy by hitting that like button below. And if you want to see more videos and stay up to date each time I release a new vid, then therefore consider subscribing and turning on that bell notification. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Right guys, first things first, let's check out the packaging. On front, you have the Ring logo, as well as an image and name of the device. Towards the bottom, you have some product details and company information. Once opened, the first thing you will see is some documentation, which contains the user manual, some stickers and warranty information, followed by the base station, which contains the siren, the keypad, which activates and deactivates the alarm system, one range extender to boost your connection, one contact sensor, one motion detector, mounting tools and brackets, power supplies for the base station and keypad, and finally, UK and EU power adapters. In regards to the product breakdown, starting with the base station, the device has a length of 17 centimeters and is made from plastic, which feels pretty strong and solid. On front, you have an LED ring light, as well as the Ring logo and speaker. On the side, you have speakers again, which are used for the siren once the device is triggered, which can reach up to 130 decibels, which sounds like this. Followed by the power input, reset button, pairing button, Ethernet and USB-A port, and finally, towards the back, you have a battery slot, which can be used as backup power. Next, we have the keypad, which has a length of 15 centimeters and is made from plastic. On front, you have the number pad, as well as the home, arm and disarm buttons. Now, just a quick note here guys, the keypad can run without a power cable connected, which can last up to 8 months of runtime. The range extender has a length of 8 centimeters and is used to help boost your connection between your base station and Wi-Fi network. The motion detector and contact sensors are roughly around 8 centimeters long and are both battery operated, which comes included inside. The setup process was a lot easier than expected. Starting off with the base station, connect the power cable into the device and then wait for the LED light to appear. Next, navigate to the Google Play or Apple App Store and download the Ring app. As I already have this installed, I'm just going to open the app. Now, just a quick note here guys, you do need to create an account, so just bear that in mind in case you haven't done so already. From here, select the menu icon on the top left and then select Set up a device. Select Security and then Base Station. You will then be prompted to select a location or create a new one. You will need to provide some additional information regarding the selected location. In this case, I will select Home. You will then be prompted to place the base station in a central location between your router and keypad. Next, select the pairing button on your base station and the LED light should now begin spinning. The app will then start locating the device. Once found, it will automatically begin connecting. From here, you will then be prompted to connect to your network by either Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. In this case, we will select Wi-Fi. If you have other Ring devices connected, then the connected Wi-Fi network details will appear. Select the network and the device will now begin connecting. Once done, you should receive a success message and the device installation will now complete. You will then be prompted with the option to set up Ring Protect Plus, which provides additional features such as assisted monitoring, discounts, and storage amongst other features as well. After the base station setup is complete, you will then be prompted to set up the remaining devices. For the keypad, ensure the device is powered and connected to a power supply, and then proceed with the setup process. Next, install the remaining devices by following the instructions on screen, and once done, you should be good to go. If you have additional devices to add, simply select the menu button again, followed by Set up a device. Select the Ring alarm system and then choose the devices you would like to install. In my case, I will be adding one additional motion detector and contact sensor. Follow the steps on screen by removing the tape to power the device, and then complete the installation process. The Ring app is pretty easy to navigate through. In this example, I will only be going through the alarm feature. However, if you would like to see a detailed review, then definitely check out my review of the Ring Video Doorbell Pro, where you can find further information. From the homepage, you can either arm or disarm the alarm system by selecting Home, Away or Disarm. Once your alarm is selected, you can then see a list of all your connected devices as well as status. Once an item is chosen, you can view information such as battery life, firmware updates, shared users, and device settings. Now, one awesome feature about the sensors is that you can easily configure each one depending on the mode selected. For example, when selecting a motion detector, you can select the mode settings and configure if the device should be triggered or not. Finally, the Ring app also sends you notifications each time motion is detected or when the alarm is triggered. Regarding the Ring assisted monitoring, this is basically where Ring will provide additional monitoring support and will contact you via automated call in case any suspicious activity is detected. Now, in case for some reason you are unable to answer, you can have up to 3 additional contacts where Ring will try to reach out to them in case they are unable to get through to you. Now, I think this feature is awesome. However, if you do have Ring devices already installed, then you will need to upgrade to Ring Protect Plus, which will cost you roughly around £8 a month, which isn't too bad at all. Before we summarize, guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful in any way, then please show your boy some love by hitting that like button below. Your likes really do help support the channel and it lets the YouTube algorithm know I did a good job on this one. Now, let's get back to the video. Overall, I genuinely thought installing this system would be an absolute nightmare, which is partially the reason why I delayed this video so long. However, after installing the Ring Alarm home system, I was seriously impressed on how well and easy the setup process was. The contact sensors are awesome, and I love the little beep sound the base station makes each time the front door is opened to let you know that someone has entered. The motion detectors work great and send notifications to your mobile phone once motion is detected. You have 3 different mode settings to choose from, which can easily be configured via Ring app. My only complaint on the Ring alarm system is probably the siren itself. Don't get me wrong, it's super loud at 130 decibels. However, as the siren is based indoors, it's kinda hard to hear it from outside, which pretty much defeats the purpose of an alarm system. However, if you did want something louder for outside, then you can purchase the Ring Alarm outdoor siren separately, directly from the Ring website. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Ring Alarm home system from Amazon for around £230, and you can find the link to purchase in the description below. But that's all from me, guys. What are your thoughts on the Ring Alarm system? And is this something that you would purchase? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tekkerreviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.